Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning back in. Today we're going to adjust my throttle position sensor. It's on my 4.6 2000 Mustang GT. As you can see, I got my voltmeter out here. I'm already grounded and I want to show you how you're going to check it. There's 3 wires on your throttle position sensor. The wire that counts, the wire that you want to check, is the middle one. As you can see, I have a pin through it. Pin. That's so I can probe it. But with the key and everything off, you're going to see when I touch that, it reads nothing really. So you have to turn your key on. Okay, so now, get the wires untangled. 0.877, and what I'm looking for is 0.95 or 0.94, so I do need to adjust it. The adjusting process, you'll see 2 Phillips screws holding on that throttle position sensor. You have to loosen the screws, adjust the sensor by turning it either clockwise or counterclockwise, then tighten the screws back up when the voltmeter reads the number that you want it to. I can't do this with one hand, folks, so I'm cutting out for a sec. I'll cut right back in and I'll show you the results. Alright everybody, we're adjusted. Let me show you what I did here. Take notice of the voltmeter. 0.94. That's good enough for me for this application. I had to turn my sensor. I had to turn it clockwise as far as it could possibly go, and I had to tighten it down while I had my hand pressure on it to make certain that it stayed with this reading here at 0.94. Yeah, as you can see, it was off a little bit. This took me all of 5 minutes to do. If you guys can. I mean, this is the difference between the cars that you notice running superb and the buckets that you see rolling around, as guys take the time to do this kind of thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope your car runs better. Please subscribe. I got plenty more content coming. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one.